this video, I'm gonna show you guys part 3 of the bathroom remodel. So we ended up adding the shower, vanity. We put in the light, the mirror, and a bathroom fan, and the toilet. So let's go ahead and check that out. So this is it. So we ended up putting up this wall. If you guys can remember, there wasn't no wall here. And what we ended up doing is installing this pocket door. So here's our pocket door. When you come in, here's that shower. It was a little tight fit, as you guys can tell, but it ended up working out. So there it is, all done and finished. So that's a pretty nice shower for a tight spot, you know. And it's not expensive at all. It comes with the glass door. And in the second part of that video, you guys could see how to install one of these. You know, I didn't think it was that bad, but it seems like there's been people that really struggled with the install. So, but for the price, I think it's a pretty good price because it comes with the glass doors, it comes with the bottom, and then it comes with the sidewalls also. So I think it's a good buy. The other thing we ended up doing is we ended up adding a small vanity here because we needed it to fit in this tight area. So as you guys can tell, it's pretty thin. This was picked up at Home Depot. It worked out pretty good. So yep. And then we ended up putting in this light. It's also got, besides the lamp, it also got this option where you could turn this on, and that way the fog don't fog up the mirror. It stays clean the whole time. So that's a pretty nice feature. Then you got the lamp light. Also, if you want to turn these guys on, so there's a switch for that guy. Sorry about that, might have been a little bright. But yeah, and then here's the toilet. And then we also put a bathroom fan up there. That bathroom fan has a Bluetooth speaker. So turn that guy on with the switch. And yeah, you got your light and your bathroom fan up there. So like I said, this was a pretty small bathroom. And we ended up getting it to fit in here. And so this turned this home into a 3-bathroom home and a 5-bedroom. So two of the bathrooms are private, and this will be shared amongst the rest of the people in the house. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging, because I told you guys I'd show you the finished product. So there it is. Hope you guys like it. If you guys do, give me a like, a subscription, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.